Hi there everybody, it's Dr. Steve with Kinesi, and what we're going to do today is a cervical rotation matrix, and we're going to use a stick. So this is, anything like a broomstick works really well. You can even use like a strap or a dog leash or anything that just kind of connects the hands together. That just kind of helps. But what you want to do is first you want to just kind of check and measure for yourself. If you stand there, how far around the corner can you look and see? And if you just make a mental note about how far around the corner you can see one direction, and then how far around the corner you can see the other direction, and just keeping that in mind, because then we'll do a little retest at the end. But what we're going to do is hanging on to the stick, head, neck, shoulders, everything in the trunk, everything moves together. You're going to do a little step back and everything is going to turn around the corners. And so the stick is taking the hands just a little further around the corner each time, but all the body parts are getting to move together. So this is part one. Part two, now what you're going to do is the same motion, but you're going to have your eyes stay focused at the 45-degree angle, or basically at the corner of the room. So as you step in and the body and the stick and the feet go one way, you're having your eyes just kind of stay at the 45-degree angle. And then you do that going back and forth, just kind of having your eyes focus on the corners of the room as the rest of the body, the foot is stepping, the arms are going around the corners, and you're progressively moving further while the head is staying a little bit more still. That's part two. So then part three is where then we have the eyes staying straight forward as the rest of the body is moving. So then you do the same step back, having the arms go around the corner as far as you can, but you're trying to keep your head pointed forward, and you just pick something for your eyes to focus on. You keep your head pointed in the same direction as the rest of the body is trying to turn around the corners as far as you can go. And you do about 10 to 15 for each of those, for each direction, and that will loosen everything up, and then you come back to the starting point where you began, and then you kind of recheck again and where you can see around the corner to each side to see if that has improved. My guess is that it will have improved, and that's the purpose of it, because not only are we working on the motion in the neck to improve that, but we're getting the rest of the body to play along and all contribute to improving your motion, turning your head from side to side. So have fun with that one, everybody.